Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome back to gudshuis. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far and learning something new, take a quick moment to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Terraform init, initialize directory, pull down providers. Init is like moving into a new apartment. You unpack the boxes, set up your furniture and pray the plumbing works only. Without that, Terraform is just like sitting in an empty room going, where is the internet? Terraform validates, check whether the configuration is valid. Validation or valid is like spell check for the cloud. It gently taps your shoulder and says, hey, genius, you missed a bracket. It won't judge your choices, but it's like judging your syntaxes. The next command is Terraform plan. Shows changes required by the current configuration. It's like planning is like checking Google Maps before you leave instead of halfway into your traffic jam. Terraform apply creates or update infrastructure. So this is the moment of truth, okay? The red wedding of Terraform. It doesn't ask for your opinion, it just does this thing. And without using the auto approve flag, it's like saying, surprise me, it's a tattoo parlor without recommendation in the production. Terraform destroy. Destroy all resources describes in the Terraform configuration. Terraform version of control all delete. It wipes out your infrastructure like your hard drive before a breakup. Terraform provider. Show the provider requires for the configuration. So provider blocks are like dating profiles. Hey, I'm Terraform. I work with AWS. It's in the region. Please swipe right. Terraform refresh. Update the state to match remote states. Refresh is like syncing your smartwatch with your actual step counts. It updates the state file so Terraform knows what really is going on. Terraform output. Shows output values from your root module. Outputs are Terraform way of yelling, look mom, I made your VPC. The next command is Terraform state. Advanced state management list, move, show, pull, push, RM. So these commands are when you're working on the state files. State is like the brain, and it's like the most brains, it can be fragile. Terraform show the current state or saved plan. So this command opens up the state file. It's like a juicy gossip magazine. So imports existing infrastructure into the Terraform state. Go infrastructure, go build before discovering Terraform. Don't cry, input is here. So let the Terraform take the ownership without judging your past mistakes. Terraform format automatically formats configuration in a standardized way. So what it does is like if you're formatting, if you have written the code, it will start to use the self-care and gives you the file a little spa treatment. Terraform taint manually marks a resource for creation. So mark a resource, I'm done for you or with you. It's Terraform version of saying we need to talk. Terraform get. Install, update, remote Terraform modules. This is how you're politely telling Terraform, go get your friends like modules. Terraform workspace. So this like manage multiple deployments of the same configuration. Think of the workspace as the Terraform alter egos. One main.tf files with multiple lives. Terraform login. This one is like Terraform cloud. Who you are, because yes, Terraform also has trust issues. There you go. The Terraform CLI cheat sheet, but fun, friendly, and almost judgment-free. If this video saves your keyboard and a rage smash, hit the like button, comment below with the Terraform command, and don't forget to Terraform subscribe to this channel. Thank you. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to gudshuis. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.